Title 6 Crimes Against Public Morals. Chapter 1 Gambling and Betting. Repealed by RA number 9287. Chapter 2 Offenses Against Decency and Good Customs. Article 200 Grave Scandal. The penalties of arresto mayor and public censure shall be imposed upon any person who shall offend against decency or good customs by any highly scandalous conduct not expressly falling within any other article of this code. 201 Immoral doctrines, obscene publications and exhibitions and indecent shows. The penalty of prisión mayor or a fine ranging from 20,000 pesos to 200,000 pesos or both. Such imprisonment and fine shall be imposed upon 1. Those who shall publicly expound or proclaim doctrines openly contrary to public morals. 2a. The authors of obscene literature published with their knowledge in any form, the editors publishing such literature, and the owners or operators of the establishment selling the same. B. Those who, in theaters, fairs, cinematographs, or any other place, exhibit indecent or immoral plays, scenes, acts, or shows. It being understood that the obscene literature or indecent or immoral plays, scenes, acts, or shows, whether live or in film, which are prescribed by virtue hereof, shall include those which 1. Glorify criminals or condone crimes, 2. Serve no other purpose but to satisfy the market for violence, lust, or pornography, 3. Offend any race or religion, 4. Tend to abet traffic in and use of prohibited drugs, and 5 are contrary to law, public order, morals, and good customs, established policies, lawful orders, decrees, and edicts, and 3. Those who shall sell, give away, or exhibit films, prints, engravings, sculpture, or literature which are offensive to morals. 202. Prostitutes. For the purpose of this article, women who, for money or profit, habitually indulge in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct are deemed to be prostitutes. Any person found guilty of any of the offenses covered by this article shall be punished by arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 20,000 pesos, and in case of recidivism, by arresto mayor in its medium period to prisión correccional in its minimum period, or a fine ranging from 20,000 pesos to 200,000 pesos or both, in the discretion of the court.